next to me.
Hey guys, it is Allison. I'm back with another back to school college edition type of video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my tips on clothes you guys could bring when you go off to college, because I know when you go to college the dorms are not going to be big and the closet as well is not going to be super spacious like it is where you are. So I feel like it's really important to, minimalize your clothes and kind of size down on a lot of, the clothes that you plan on bringing. So yeah, you hear a lot of college students say like, oh, don't bring a lot of clothes, but like, what kind of clothes am I supposed to bring? So I'm going to show you guys some of the basic things that I feel like you would need, and also a lot of the things that I'm going to mention in this video might not suit you, so do keep that in mind. But hopefully you can figure out some of the clothes from this video that'll help you when you do move into your college dorm, and hopefully this video will help you out in some way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess we can just jump into this video. So I have kind of like three categories. I'm going to show you guys some jacket category, and then also kind of like basic things that you can wear to your classes and going out and about, and then kind of like a little bit more fancy type of occasions, so like going out and all that. So for jackets, I would recommend, this is something that I would recommend if you live somewhere that's a little bit colder, especially like in the winters where it gets super cold. I would recommend some type of winter jacket. Really fuzzy ones from Hollister. I would probably recommend like a winter jacket that's a little bit longer, that kind of goes past your butt, I would say, just because if you're wearing sweaters or dresses, it kind of makes it hard to wear these types of jackets. But any winter jacket that's going to keep you warm during the winter, especially when it gets super cold out, this is going to be the jacket for you. This is again a Hollister one, but it doesn't have to be this one. You can get whatever you want, whichever one you want, but make sure it keeps you warm and it's not just, for fashion statement. I mean, we'd all love to rock something super cute, but again, whatever's going to keep you warm. You probably don't have to bring a winter coat right away with you, unless I guess you go out of state and you don't come home often. Then I would probably recommend bringing this with you right away. But yeah, definitely a good winter coat is essential. Going along with jackets, I would recommend some type of like a fall or a spring kind of jacket. So this is the one I have, again, from Hollister. I swear I'm not sponsored by them, but this is just a really nice coat that I wore during the fall time when it got a little bit chillier, like 40 degrees, and I also wore this when it was like only, again, I guess 40 degrees, maybe like 50 degrees, I would say. I wore this as well in the spring. So this jacket is super nice because it has a hood, which is nice, and it's like black and perfect, it goes with everything, and it has pockets, and I just really like it. It's going to be a good enough jacket that will keep you warm when it's still chilly outside. It's not super cold yet. So yeah, definitely recommend one of these. Next jacket is something that may not be everybody's cup of tea, not everyone's style, but definitely versatile because you can wear it and pair it with a bunch of different outfits, and this is a jean jacket. This is a more fitted version, so I feel like you can wear this with a lot of different things like dresses, a couple shirts, just a lot of different things. Pretty much you can pair them with black jeans, you can pair them with a bunch of different kind of jeans, you can wear them with joggers, you can wear them with like trouser pants, stuff like that. So I feel like jean jackets are super cool. You don't have to get a fitted one, you can get like just like a really loose one, whatever your style is, if it's just dressed, whatever you feel, but I feel like a jean jacket is really cool because you can wear them with a bunch of different outfits and pair them and style them with different things. Those are all the jackets I would say would be really good for you guys to bring. Now I'm going to move into some of the more basic things that you could wear that would be good if you're going to classes, if you're just walking around campus in your day-to-day life. This is really great. I recommend hoodies. I have a couple here. I just have some airy ones. I have a white one and then a like charcoal gray one, and hoodies are just really great. These are cropped, but you can find so many hoodies anywhere, which is really cool. You can find them in a bunch of different places, and they're going to keep you warm. It's something that a lot of college students recommend just because it will keep you warm. It's comfy. You don't really have to put much thought into it. You just throw it on literally, and you can just walk out and go about your day. Now I'm going to go into some of the basic, I would call them like the basic part of this category, and I have basic long sleeves here. I have this really nice like cropped little sweatshirt. It's like what they call color blocking, and it's from Forever 21. And I just really like this because it's something you can wear and throw on, and I normally wear these with black jeans, but I literally can wear them with any kind of jeans that I want, and it looks super cute. And I normally love wearing this because it's just super colorful, and it seems like something that is not super basic, but I feel like it's something you can wear a lot, so I really love this one. But I also have this one that's just like a graphic kind of long sleeve, which I really like. This is from H&M, and I just really like it because it's super basic and it's something that I can wear a lot, and very much of like a maybe just like a basic shirt, whether it's a long sleeve or a short sleeve, and jeans and sneakers kind of girl. So this is something that I wore a lot to classes just because it's super comfy, and it's something I could just throw on really quick, and I could wear with a bunch of different outfits. So I definitely recommend these. I'm moving into like short sleeves this time, and this is just some short sleeves and just like some like t-shirts that you can wear again with a bunch of different outfits. I have this one that says Saturday, and I think it's super cute, kind of looks like the Gucci shirt, and I like that it's like tied at the bottom, which I really think is cute. It's a bit more cropped than I would like, but it still really works. It's from H&M, and I got a medium because I wanted it a little bit bigger. And so I feel like you can wear this again with a bunch of different outfits. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with skirts, you can wear them with any type of like trouser pants, jogger style pants. So I think these are super cute. I recommend like solid shirts or maybe striped shirts are super cute, and again you can wear them with a bunch of different outfits. The key is to be able to bring clothes that you can wear a number of different ways, especially if you have a big wardrobe at home and you have to downsize. Outfits like these that you can wear a bunch of different times with different outfits is really key. And so I have this one. It's super soft and super warm, and this is in a medium, and I got it from H&M. And I also have like a bunch of other solid shirts like these that would probably be really awesome to pair with a bunch of different things. Now moving into, I guess, more of the things that you probably wouldn't be wearing and reaching for on a daily basis, but I think would be really good to keep in your closet. I would say the first thing is like going out clothes. It really depends on what that means to you. To some people this might be considered like party clothes. Some people just like going, hanging out with friends. So going out doesn't always have to be about, parties or whatever. So it really depends on your thing, but I probably recommend like maybe like a skirt or something like that. So I have this really cute skirt that I got. It's like a gingham style skirt, and it is from H&M. I think I showed it to you guys backward, but yeah, it has a belt, but I forgot to grab it. But yeah, it's super cute, and it's not super short, which I really like. I don't really like super short skirts or anything like that, and I think it's just super cute. So definitely get like a skirt, or maybe just anything that you would probably wear if you were going out with friends, like on the weekends, something like that. If you plan on joining a sorority of some sort where you have like semi-formal or formal, then this is super cute because it's black. It's like pretty simple, but I really like the fact that it has like a nice opening a little bit in the front, so it doesn't show too much, which I really like. It's like a little peekaboo, which I really like, and it has really nice lace detailing all over, and it looks like a two-piece, but it's actually really one piece, it looks like a two-piece, but it's really a one-piece, which I think is super cute. So it gives a nice illusion, and it's not super short, which I really like. It hits me like past my knees, so I really like that, but it's not super long, so I really like that. So just a nice black simple dress is super cute, especially if you plan on going to like a formal of some sort. If you're in a sorority, that would be really great. Last thing, which I don't have here, is actually like a blouse, I would say, stuff for a business casual kind of look, especially if you go to any events that would require you to look business casual and dress in that sort of way, probably like an interview or maybe some type of an event where you meet a bunch of different heads of companies. It's those are really key ways where you would really need to dress business casual. So again, it could be different for everybody, but business casual, I would probably bring a couple blouses, a couple pants, business pants, black pants I would say, and stuff like that. I'd probably bring like 2 or 3 of like blouses and pants, so that you have options and you're not constantly wearing the same ones. And then probably when you're actually there, you can figure out like, oh, I might need a little bit more or whatever. So I feel like just having a couple is really good to start off with. Those are pretty much all the clothes I would suggest you guys could could bring. This is pretty much clothes. I feel like shoes is something that everyone has different taste on, so I didn't want to just do like shoes and clothes, because I feel like clothes are the staples. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and hopefully that you can take something away from this video. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in the next one. Hopefully you guys are loving my college style back to school videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.